What is up, everybody? It's your girl ShelethiaTreNae, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this simple glam makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to know more about how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. And disclaimer, let me just first say I am not the best at makeup, but your girl know a few tips and tricks, okay? So I am not a makeup artist or anything, because trust and believe I have my days where I just don't, I just don't have the juice, you know? Like I be, trying to do it and everything, and then I just don't, it just don't work out. But today, I kind of was feeling myself. I kind of had a little time on my hands. I wanted to just take my time and do everything so precisely. Now, I'm not gonna lie, some scenes in this video, I really wasn't taking my time. But you guys get the gist, you know? You take your time in the areas that you need to take your time on, and then in other areas, you can kind of rush and get away with it. But that is not always the case. So, it just happened to work out for me today. So, I'm rambling right now, so let's just go ahead and jump right into this video.
So for the purposes of this video, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off of camera just to save time on this video, because that is another video itself. And right now I'm just going to start by adding a primer to my face so your girl don't be breaking out. And I'm gonna go in with this LA Pro Girl concealer in the color of Toast, and I'm just gonna basically use this just like I would use foundation, except I'm only highlighting the highlights of my face, so the main areas underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, right above my lips, on my chin, and on my forehead. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to just kind of pat this in, just to give me that highlight in the areas that the sunlight hits, because I'm trying to stop wearing foundation as much, because sometimes I get a little bit lazy, trying to remove it from my face. And I did notice that I started breaking out more when I would use foundation every day. So I just kind of took a break from using foundation, and I only use the concealer in the spots that I feel really need to be concealed. And so now I'm just going in with a lighter color on top of that, in the color of Fawn, still by LA Pro Girl Concealer. And I'm just going to basically make myself look like a tiger. And so now I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup, and what I'm going to do is basically bake. I just put this over my highlighted areas, and I'm just going to leave it on for the remainder of me doing my makeup, just to let it sit for a little bit. And as I'm letting that sit, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my eyes. So I'm using this eyeshadow kit that I've had for a while. It's called the Nudes. I don't really know where I got this from. I believe it was a gift, but anyway, this is the color I'm going to be using. I normally stick to the reds and the browns, and I'm just going to apply this onto my eyelid, and then I'm going to go in with a lighter color just to put on the bottom of my lid, right above my top waterline, just to give my eyes that pop, but not too much pop. We want this to look a little bit natural. And so now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I like to use the gel eyeliner on the top, and then I'm going to use a waterproof pencil eyeliner on my bottom lash line. And so now I'm just going to dust all of that Sacha Buttercup off of my face. You don't need to pat it or anything like that. I just get my little brush and just lightly dust it all off. Basically just the excess of it. And you have officially baked your face in the quickest way possible. I'm pretty sure I just beat record time. And so now I'm going to use this True Complexion Contour Kit. I got this kit from Target. It was super cheap, and it's by Black Radiance. And the thing I like about this is it tells you exactly where to put all the colors, which is exactly what I need because I am not a pro at contouring. I barely ever do it. But this is just something that enhances, you know, the natural makeup look. And so I decided to give it a try. And so now we're gonna go in with our mascara. I use 2 different mascaras just to give, you know, my eyelashes that pop. One is for the cat eye look, and the other is just to get my eyelashes. I cannot talk today. Just to get them a little bit more extended than they already were. I do not wear false eyelashes, only on occasion. They're just super hard to put on to me, and I naturally have long eyelashes, so I don't really need them. But I do plan to start one day. We will see. And so now I'm just going to go in with my setting spray. I'm just going to quickly give my face a little spray all over. Yeah, just like that. And here is the semi-finished look. I'm just going to go ahead and fix my hair up a little bit. Give these edges a little TLC, because no matter how beat your face is, it's not fully beat until you get those edges down. You guys know. And finally, I have to go in with my Vaseline and put it on my lips. This is in the Rosy Lips color, and it has like a slightly pink tint to it, which I absolutely love. And I don't care what I use, like, there is nothing that works better on my lips than Vaseline. So go get you some. And that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for more, and I thank you guys for watching.